Jamaican style jerk fish prep. Now in my Jamaican culture, I don't know about yours, I tell you about mine. Jerk fish and roast fish is a thing. I feel like they just call it roast fish, but enough people who roast fish, them add jerk seasonings to it. It is really good and filling, so let me show you how I make mine. I have some pumpkin and some okra. Usually you can choose any vegetables you want. You can even add some potatoes, but this is what I love in mine. Then for my aromatics, I use onions, scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme. That's what I'm scraping out this dish. You can cut up everything together. As you can see, I added some of our very own very necessary original jerk seasoning, and I added some of our very necessary island spiced oil. Click the orange basket above my username to get them. Trust me, it make a difference in this, and it make a difference in any of your food where you go cook. You can use your hand or use a spoon or a spatula and rub that in thoroughly. Now y'all know we've been going fishing, and that's why I've been just cooking a lot of fish. Every time I go fishing and come up, I always scale, clean, and wash, and then I season it up. And these ones were no different. I think all I seasoned with was just Creole, because that's what I've been doing, just putting Creole on them. Because no matter how I go cook, I always use a little Creole, so my life we put a little Creole on them, I'm not over season them. After you're rubbing your vegetable and aromatic, get a good file paper, not the little one with tear as you touch it. Fish was frozen and I thawed them out from the night before I sat them in the fridge. Get a handful or any amount of the mixture where you want. Put it in at the center of your fish from head straight down to the whole gut. Then put some on the outside of it. Finish it off with a piece of your favorite butter. I like to just bring the two long sides of the foil paper together and fold that down, and then me just fold in the short edges. If you tear your foil paper, put one next piece under it. Like I said, this is a prep. We're not gonna cook it in this, so check out the video after this to see how I cook it. However, I'm prepping about 5 or 6 because this is great if you're busy or if you're a person who's just so tired sometimes and just feel some jerk fish. Instead of having to go through and do all of this, you already have this prep, so you just take this out, put in your oven 400 for 35 minutes. Now if they're frozen, it's gonna take a little longer than 35 minutes because all you have to do is just add a quarter cup of water to it and throw it in your oven. See where you can use your air fryer. Throw it in the frozen. It's just gonna take a little longer to cook when it's frozen. I did one in a video that is coming up after this, and it took 1 hour and 5 minutes frozen, just straight from the freezer, straight in the oven. Oh my god, so good. So this is a business plan, you know. If you are a fisherman or you can get fish for buy at a price, make some jerk fish like this, season them nicely. I did use some Old Bay on the vegetable. Season them up nicely, wrap them up like this in your foil paper, just like this. Enough time if you go at the freezer side, they prepare things like this, like even ribs, it already seasoned. All you have to do is just throw it in the oven. Put you on to start a business doing this.